Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Quanto token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Quanto trade is built to change how people trade instead of being logged into grid systems where only a few assets can be used. Their platform you put lets you put their whole portfolio to work, whether it is Bitcoin, ETH, or even meme coins. They can use what they already hold to trade the markets. At the center of this QTO, the token, at the center of this QTO, the token that powers everything, all wins, losses, and liquidation flow through QTO, creating the natural cycle where the more the platform is used, the stronger the ecosystem becomes. This flips the usual exchange model on its head, turning activity that normally benefits the house into value that flows back to the community. Quanto token total supply is around 980.97 million and circulating supply is around 980.97 million. QTO token is listed on XT.com, Flonix, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.